Hi guys, today I'm going to make cassava pone, and as you see I have my fresh goodies right here ready to grate. So the first thing I'm going to do is grate the cassava, and I already peel them, wash them. So here I go, and I'm using the prickly side of the grater. And guys, after I finish grate the cassava, I will then grate the coconut and the pumpkin, and I will introduce you to the rest ingredients that I'm using. So guys, I have all my goodies ready for you. I have 3 cups of cassava, grated cassava that I grated. And in some places they call it Yuca. In some countries they call it Yuca. But in the Caribbean they call it cassava. So I have 1 cup of grated coconut. So I'm going to pour that in there. 1 cup of grated pumpkin. Okay, and I have 1.5 cups of sugar, brown sugar. Okay, so I'm going to mix this in well. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my melted butter inside, and I'm using 3 tablespoons. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Two tablespoons of ginger, and I have nutmeg. I use 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, let's eat that in. It smells fantastic already. Okay guys, so I'm going to pour in 2 cups of coconut milk. Okay, and I'm going to mix that well. And you can always taste to know if you need more sugar. Good. Because the pumpkin is also sweet, so I don't need no more sugar in this. Alright guys, so I'm going to transfer this to my baking pan. And I'm going to bake this at 350 degrees, 1 hour 15 minutes. And I grease my baking dish. Okay guys, you can use butter, you can use the spray, it doesn't matter, okay? Thank you for watching guys, and I'll come back with the results later, okay? So guys, my cassava pone has finished, and I'm going to test it. I already tested myself, but I want to do it for you, okay? You see, it comes out clean. Soon I'll come back with the cutting after it's cool. So hey guys, my cassava pone has completely cooled. So time for the best part, to cut and eat. So let's get right into it. Okay. I just want to make sure you see the inside. Let me see if I can get it up. Oops, wow, great, perfect. You having a good look? Yep, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys keep forgetting the subscribe button. And guys, I want to clarify something. I left my cassava pone to bake for 1 hour 30 minutes for 350 degrees. I leave it 15 more minutes because I want it to be golden brown. So if you want yours to be golden brown, leave it for 1 hour 30 minutes. Less brown, you can leave it for 1 hour 15 minutes.